Hi everyone, I'm Drashti and today I'm going to talk about auto campaigns and explain each of its targeting groups. So let's dive right in. So from the dashboard, find advertising, go to campaign manager and then click on create campaign. Now in sponsored product, there are two types of campaigns, auto and manual. Auto are the type of campaigns where Amazon does the heavy lifting for you. Instead of manually choosing keywords, Amazon uses the content of your product listing to target ads automatically. So generally it is created for testing and market research purposes. So when you're launching a product, it helps you boost the reach or helps you understand your customer or the kind of markets that you can cater to. Here at YS, we have also seen results where auto has outperformed manual campaigns. So we make sure we have at least one auto for all our accounts, even if it is with passive bids. When you set up auto campaigns, Amazon will use 4 different targeting groups to show your ads to potential customers. Let's break this down. First one is close match. So close match targets customer searches that closely matches the product keywords. So if you're selling wireless headphones, your ad might appear on searches like Bluetooth headphones or wireless earphones. Second one is loose match. So loose match, like the name suggests, it targets customer that search matches loosely to your product keywords. So for wireless headphones, it will target searches like best tech gadgets, music accessories. Third one is substitutes. Substitute targets detail pages of products that are similar to yours. So like competitor A signs. For wireless headphones, your ad will appear on the detail page of another brand's wireless headphones. Fourth one is complements. Complements target detail pages of products that complement your product, so which are not exactly your product but are somehow related or can be bought together. For example, ads for wireless headphones will appear on pages for, say, smartphones or MP3 player product pages. So to sum it up, it is the most basic campaign as it simplifies the advertising process by leveraging Amazon's algorithm to handle targeting. So it is 4 targeting groups, close and loose match that target keywords, while substitutes and complements target product detail pages. Now once you have set their bids, you will see negative targeting, which will be useful after launch and some data to analyze. And then campaign bidding strategy, which I've explained in detail in my previous video. It will be linked in the description. You can check that out. Mostly, but for auto campaigns, I would suggest we should go with down only strategy, as we're not sure or in control of each keywords and bidding on them. So as a thumb rule, launch it with down only, and then you can always go back and change it based on the results that you get. Then you'll find all the details about naming the campaign and setting the budget in sponsored product manual setup video. And that's about it. Make sure everything is done and you can go ahead and launch the campaign. I hope this helped you understand auto campaigns a little better. If you like this content, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy selling.